Hello! Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words drag and drug. Let's look at each one individually. Drag, verb or noun. Verb, to pull or draw with force, to move slowly or with difficulty. Noun, the act of dragging, something that impedes progress or motion. For example, he had to drag the heavy suitcase up the stairs. The meeting dragged on for hours. The extra weight created a drag on the boat's speed. Drug, noun or verb. Noun, a substance used as medication or in the preparation of medication. Noun, a substance taken for its narcotic or stimulant effects. Verb, to administer drugs to someone. For example, the doctor prescribed a new drug for her condition. The police are working to keep drugs off the streets. Someone may have drugged his drink at the party. To summarize, drag primarily means to pull with force or move slowly. Drug typically refers to medicinal or narcotic substances and can also be used as a verb, meaning to administer drugs. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.